In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We're doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your M.Awais trainer. We've started the tutorial about part 3 of the IELTS speaking subtest. And today's lecture is the continuity of that tutorial. And I'm going to give the questions. And Miss Ayman Barber, once again, she's going to give the answers to all those questions being asked for part 3. As you know that part 3 is connected with the part 2, task card or the cue card. So it's necessary to give you the cue of the part 2, and that's all about describe the best present you have received. And now the questions in part 3 are associated with the part 2 topic. So let's get started. In Pakistan, when do people send the present?
People in Pakistan send presents on special occasions and festivals such as wedding parties, wedding anniversaries, birthday parties, and success parties. During Eid festival, people send or give presents to each other like clothes and perfumes and chocolates, and the list is endless.
That's lovely. And what sort of gifts you think the children will receive in the future?
In the future, I think more and more children will receive rational gifts like notebook, computer, electronic dictionary, MP3 player, and PlayStation, and so on. As the growth of technology, we can see that children are more interested in the electronic devices like laptops, computers, and mobile phones and tabs.
That's great, and it's really rational. Do you think gifts are connected with the status of people?
I couldn't agree more. The presents are really associated with the social status of the people. Moreover, they have significance for the financial position of the people. Yet, I think the value of the gift couldn't be measured with the financial status of the gift. Like, it shouldn't be measured like it should be measured the love and affection of the people.
That's absolutely right. Thank you very much indeed. That was also, the topic associated with the part 3. She has given the answers actually related to the part 2 cue card, and she is quite rationally and significantly giving the answers. And there was a bit of hesitation at the end of the question, but that's quite normal. Even the native speakers stumble sometime, and then they just try to find sometimes the ideas, sometimes the words, and it's quite natural. So best of luck. God bless you all. I'll see you with another video that's associated with the IELTS. Until then, God bless you all, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore, and it is going to be beneficial for your future if you are going to appear in the IELTS or you are interested in spoken English. God bless you. Bye-bye.